Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to create shop on Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, what you can do is simply just log into your Facebook page like that. Then what you can do is simple, just right click onto that button. Then you will see the profile option for your Facebook page. So after going to the profile, you can see the page like this. And then what you can do is simply go to the Meta Business Suite. Just tap on that option and it will take some time to load the Meta Business Suite. And from here, you can do is to select this option, all tools, go with that. And here you will see list of options, but you need to go with the commerce option. Tap on the commerce and now we got this. So sell on Facebook, Instagram, or both. So we will be going with get a started option. And now as you can see, we got the shop option to create a shop. So it's very simple. Now get it started, tap on that. And now we need to fill up the form and various things to express my thing, like Fast and Furious. So I will go with the next. So what is the shop with, like we can go with the Shopify and many more right over here. So and also you can go with the I don't use this shop. So after that, then you need to select your country. So let's go with this and then next. And after that, you need to select the page you are going to use. Like I'm going to use this page to sell my products. So I will select this and go with the next again. We need to add the business portfolio for real quick. So let's just add it, some of the portfolio, like create. And then you can simply just check and double check the any of the option if you need. So you can simply go through all these questions and simply just check it and fill up all of these. Then what you can do is simply just next. And again, just go with this. Select this, like you can add the products and what you can selling. Just go with these options and just type down the things. All right, then again next, and you can simply just preview and you can just finish setup. With this, just to make sure to check all these questions, go through all the questions and fill up according to your needs. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and I will catch you guys in the very next one. Have a great day.